Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss about the fundamentals of biology. Before going to start the fundamental of biology, what are the topics covered? First one is definition, importance of natural and life sciences, subdivisions of biology, characteristic feature of living organism, biological significance, diverse study in biology, biological system, scope of biology, interdisciplinary approach of biology. Finally, we conclude that future bioscience research. What do you mean by biology? The biology is the word derived from two Greek words. First one is the bios. Bios is the life. Logos is a study. It is a scientific study, live study. The study of living things are called as the study of life. Natural and life sciences. What do you mean by natural and life sciences? It is included to the biological term. Introduction to science. The knowledge may be called as the systematic organized knowledge of particular subject. The various field which is deals with understanding the natural phenomenon with the science. The biology includes botany, zoology, animal science, biochemistry, microbiology, and biotechnology. These studies included to the plants, animals, biochemicals, and microbe structure and technology. Coming to the subdivisions of biology, what are the subdivisions? These are the different areas covered by the biology. First one is the structure and function, changes and development, applied biology, living things and their environment, main groups of living system. These are totally called as the field of biology. What are the characteristic feature of living organism? First one is a complex organization composed of different types of cells, metabolism to produce the energy, utilize the food materials, the responses to the extreme environmental condition such as temperature and wind and starvation, growth, endogenous growth, reproduction, ability to grow, ability to give of offsprings, evolution to better suit to the change in the environment of metabolism. These are the characteristic features included to the living organism, not for non-living organism. Biological significance. What are the why we need for biology for the importance? Improved understanding the function of organism, improved understanding the causes of disease, finding the treatment of disease, improved understanding on ecology, better management on environmental problem, improved quality production and production of food. Now, the old to new study, the traditional study to advanced study. The previously, the taxonomy, histology, and anatomy studies are traditional methods to study of biology. Nowadays, we are called as the different system. The different system follow for the course. The name of the course is biochemistry, biotechnology, and bio-nanotechnology as a recent field for old to new study of biologies. What are the biological system? The biological system includes microbiology, plant biology or botany or zoology. The microbiology, it is deals with the study of microbes. Plant biology or botany deals with the plant studies. Animal science or zoology, the study of animals and animal behaviors. These totally included to the biological system. What are the scope of biology? The scope included doctors, nurses, dentists, physiotherapists, veterinarians. These are the different field. After the studying of biology, the biotechnologist, forensic scientist, nutritionists, farmers, and horticulturists, forestries, these are included the basic knowledge required for the biological study. What are the interdisciplinary approaches on biology? First one is the mathematics, second one is the physics, third one is the chemistry, fourth one is the medical, fifth one is the engineering, and the sixth one is the technology. These are the basic science which include to the biology. First one is mathematics included in the form of biostatistics, physics which is included to the form of biophysics, chemistry which included to the biochemistry, medical including to the biomedical science, engineering including to the biomechanics, technology to include to the bio nanotechnology. These are the totally covered by the bio means it is addition of biological sources or biological resources to start the subject. After successful learning of biology, what are the application of the biology? that is called as the applied biology, directly connected to the self-employment and the commercial importance. What are the commercial importance? What are the products originated from the biological sources? First one is the mushroom technology, medicinal plant technology, sericulture. Sericulture means a study of silkworm study. Apiculture, honeybee study. Lac culture, that is a product of lac from the particular trees. Vermiculture, vermicompost. Aquaculture, poultry farming, dairy farming, and algal culture. Recently algal culture is included to the include the algae culturing methods, and different technology used for the applied sciences. The future bioscience research, what are after the completion of UG degree or PG degree, we are doing for the higher studies or research, the bundle of funding for research only in the biological science. What are the biological science included to the different funding agency? For example, DPT, Department of Biotechnology, Department of Science and Technology, the ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research, and ICAR, Indian Council of Agriculture Research, CSIR, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. These are the funding agencies provided to the higher study research for only in the source of biological subjects. Utilization of bioresources, for example, either maybe microbes or plants or animals sources or animal products, will contribute to the Indian society for many biological application. This utilization of biological bioresources will helpful to society for the in the way of biological application through the study of biology or allied biology. This will be helpful to the student. The application may be vary in the utilization of bioresources. Thank you.